Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable voice input on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. So, first of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, or just press the gear button on your remote control. Then open All Settings menu. Then navigate down to Accounts and Sign In and select your Google account. After that, navigate to Google Assistant option, and here you can enable or disable your voice input. So if you disable voice control, pressing the microphone will result in nothing. And if you want to use your Google Assistant, then of course switch this option on. And so that's it. You can also enable or disable personal results on this page. But to do this, you're going to have to verify your identity by entering your Google password. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.